Hi guys, welcome to my channel and let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis based on the price action. I am not a SEBI registered advisor or broker. I am doing these videos just for the educational purposes to learn how the price action, the raw price action happens in the market, and these learnings can be applied to the other markets as well, to the other stocks and the indexes as well. I don't use any indicators because I believe in raw price action in price and volume. So I don't use, that's why like majority of my charts will have no indicators except for few intraday stuff. So what is happening over here is Nifty had a support at 24,840 levels. It was a resistance which became support, and then Nifty took a support around 24,840, 24,700, and from there it went up. On this swing high on 18th of September, Nifty made a hanging man on the top. So this hanging man, like there is a hanging man on the top, and then on the very next day there is the failure of this hanging man. Let's talk about the psychology of this. If you go a previous day, like if you go on 16th of September, you will see that it's totally buyers which are at control. On 17th of September, it is totally buyers which are in control. On 18th of September, there is a fight between buyers and sellers. Buyers probably want to take the market up, but like so they got checked out. Sellers want to take the market down, but they got checked out by the buyers and the market closed high. Whenever these kind of patterns are made on the top, hanging man at the top or hanging man at the bottom or dozy and all this stuff, that's where we start looking for the follow up candles, that what will happen in the next candle, because this is just an indication that okay, now there is sellers over here also, not only buyers, there is another party which has came in, and let's see how things will go from here. So what happened on 19th of September is that market gave a close at the same level which buyers protected on 18th of September, which is 25,330 levels. And so this is a very clear indication that the market will come down. There are three possibilities in a trade. You are like buy, sell, or sideways. I am an option buyer, so I have just two possibilities, either buy call or buy put. I don't do option selling because early in my career and there is a lot of risk. I don't want to go in those, like the maths don't make sense to me. So now there is a buy option, buy call or buy put. When I saw this on 18th and 19th, buy call is out of my, it's totally out of the window for me. So now I have to only see the selling, buy put. One more thing, that this price action happened on Friday. I don't take any positional trades on Friday because Nifty expiry is on Monday, and because of that, like there is a huge theta decay which happens. So I don't do why to give seller money. So now on Monday, market opened a bit low. On Tuesday, as expected, market went a bit low. Now it's interesting to see how things will come up from here. I don't also predict market, because in that case, what happened that you are inputting a bias in your brain, and if you have a bias in your brain, then it's just like then it's not an open mind. You like we stop seeing the things as they are, and we operate on the basis of our bias. So let's move forward. Nifty have a correlation with Reliance and Bank Nifty. So let's go to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, same thing. On 18th of September, it made a hanging man. On 19th of September, it failed. The hanging man failed. Then on 22nd, as expected, it went a bit down. But what happened yesterday on 23 of September is pretty interesting. And major reason of this is, I guess, it is majorly because of SBI and all these banks, that Bank Nifty gave a recovery in here. So this will be interesting to see how this goes. And as Bank Nifty is correlated to Nifty, a movement, a positive movement in Bank Nifty will make Nifty either sideways or go up. Uh, Also, let's go to Reliance, because like Bank Nifty and Reliance in itself is around 40-45% of Nifty weightage. Reliance had the same playbook for quite a time. I do options buy and sell in Reliance, so like I know how this playbook is for time now. So Reliance have a resistance at 1420 and 1430 levels. So whenever, as soon as Reliance move touches 1420, that is the time of the month when you look for the downside of the Reliance, not on the upside. So the same thing, like on 30th of July it was 1420, on 21st of August it was around 1430, and this time on 18th of September it is around 1420. So on 18th of September Reliance was on 1420. Nifty made a hanging man, Bank Nifty made a hanging man. So, like the at least the calls are out. So only the we have to see put. That's all for the daily analysis. For the intraday, I will do a separate video because I am an option buyer, so we make money in intraday only. Because the thing is that we don't take positions home until and unless we are not expecting something huge, and the reason is that the theta decay which happens in all these calls, when you buy a call, you are practically giving your theta away. That is the commitment which I am walking into. So if I am giving my theta decay, so if it's a 25 rupees call and the theta decay for the day, like just for the day, is say 3 rupees or 4 rupees, I'm just putting in layman terms, there is a formula for that. So there, so like as soon as I buy a 25 rupees call on Monday and I think that I will sell this call on Tuesday, I have given away 3 points for a 25 points call. So the market has to go like the calculations are that market has to go in a way, the delta and vega has to move in a way that it covers those theta decay, and theta is where the option sellers make money. So I am an intraday trader. I This is the reason that I don't trade um, these positional trade until and unless there is something, yeah, like I'm expecting something very good, otherwise no. uh, and That's all for this daily analysis. Please like and subscribe my channel and leave your inputs in the comment, and how I can make it better. And like if I'm lagging anything, please, I'm open to like improvements. Please leave a comment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.